Hey guys, so while I was washing my face, the UPS guy brought my Ulta package that I ordered the other day, and so I thought I would open it and do a little unboxing video of what I ordered. So I'm gonna open it and show you guys what I bought. I'm using my little eyebrow scissors and like the ones that I use to trim my lashes to open my box because my box cutter's in the kitchen. And it's not the best for this. Alright, so I'm gonna show you the stuff that I bought first, and then I'll show you like the free gift things that I bought. Alright, so I bought the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer because I'd seen some good things about it, and because I've been on the prescription meds for my face. It's more combination than oily. Like, I'm still oily, but it's more combination, especially like my forehead. So I wanted to try it because people had really liked it, and it's not very expensive. I think it was like, I don't know, $8. Let's see. I got the Awake Lip Therapy Lip Mask. I had bought one from Mamond, and I really like that one. And I want to say this one was even more expensive, and so I don't know what possessed me to buy this one, but I did. It's just like a pot lip mask. We're gonna give him a try. It had good reviews. Concentrated blend of olive, argan, rosehip, and raspberry seed oil. Works overtime during the day and while you sleep. The people that used it and reviewed it had said that it worked well overnight, and it was still on during the day. Like, it lasted for a long time. So I bought because now the Ordinary is available at Ulta, and I had been using the Ordinary stuff at theordinary.com or through Buxom, I think is how you pronounce their website, but it was taking a really long time to fulfill their orders, and for a while a lot of the stuff I wanted wasn't in stock, and I have like a cold or something happening, so I just gave up because I couldn't get the stuff that I wanted, and then when I ran out I couldn't get it, and then it was at Sephora, and then the Sephora stopped carrying it because then it was going to go to Ulta, but then it took a long time to get to Ulta, so now it's at Ulta. So I bought this guy, and it is the 30% AHA, which is alpha hydroxy acid, and 2% BHA, which is, I think, beta hydroxy acid. Peeling solution, 10-minute exfoliating facial. And it is like the red one. This is like red gooey jelly. So this guy, you just put on, you leave it for 10 minutes, rinse it off. No more than 10 minutes. And from what I saw online, people with sensitive skin, probably no more than like 3 to 5 minutes. So I would probably do like 3 to 5 minutes, because I also use a couple other things that have alpha hydroxy acid in them. So I'm going to give this a try. I will report back on if it eats off my face. just as a PSA, alpha hydroxy acid does always come with a sunburn alert. It increases your sensitivity to sunlight, so you really should be doubling, tripling up on the sunburn protection. So sunscreen, hats, whatever else to help protect your skin from the sun, because it will increase your chance of burning. And so, especially me, because I'm already fair, I already burn easily. I use a retinoid, which increases my chance of sunburn. Then I use a glycolic acid face wash, which increases my chance of burning. I'm basically a vampire, and the chance of me burning is just, I just shouldn't even be out in the sun at all. I'm basically allergic to the sun at this point. And I take a medicine that increases my chance of burning. So be prepared for a sunburn reaction if you use. I also got the new MAC Love Me lipstick in Laissez Faire, which is, I think it's a pink. I don't know what color I bought. This is the little packaging. It's in like a little, oh, it's a pink nude, like my go-to color. We're just gonna, I love it. It's just a good pinky nude, creamy ultra matte. There was like a lot of information about these online. They're the new, they smell good. Formula that's like the long wear, but more creamy, more comfortable to wear. I saw a couple people do reviews on them, and I love them. I wanted to get a couple more shades, but I thought I would try them out in a shade that I knew I would wear all the time, which is this color, because this is like my lip color, so I would just wear it. And I'm a lipstick hoarder, so start small. So I might wear it today, even though I don't have any makeup on, just to test it out. But I really enjoy this color, and I love it. I bought 2 of the NYX Vivid Bright cream colors. This one is in Cyberpop, and this one is in Light Show. And I got this NYX Loose Pigment. It is called in Diamond. It is like a silvery white. We got that guy. This box is just in my way. And then because I was buying stuff, and it was, I bought stuff originally, I was going to shop in store, but then it was 10 times points if you bought stuff as a Diamond member online. So I hate that I have to open stuff with a scissor. So I ended up shopping online, because why go in store and get just regular points as a Diamond member when I can shop online instead and get 10 times points. So I ended up, if you spent a certain amount on NYX products, you got a free gift, which was this little shiny lipstick shaped bag, lip shaped bag. And then inside is a free On the Rise mascara, which I don't have and haven't tried. And then if you spent a certain amount, I think you had to spend $25, which I definitely did, you got this whole free bag of stuff. I don't have time for this knot they tied in it, so we're just going to cut the top off of it and find out what's in it. what do we have? What is this? This is the Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. Smoothing Brightening Powder Exfoliant. I've not used that. Let's try that out. This is the CeraVé PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion, which I also have not tried, but is one of the most popular things on the skincare addiction Reddit, which I follow almost religiously. A small bottle of the Hempz Original Lotion, which I really have enjoyed forever. Ugh, it smells so good. I remember when this first came out. That's so sad. That means I'm old. This is the IGK First Class Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo. I love this dry shampoo. This is my hands down favorite dry shampoo probably of all time. I can use this kind and it doesn't like leave your hair feeling like it just put white powder on your hair. Like, I actually feel like my hair is clean and it's not just white powder hiding dirty hair. They have this one. They have the matcha, I don't know what it's called, matcha something, but that's the middle one, and then there's another lower version. So there's 3 levels of their dry shampoo. This one is the hardcore one for like super oily hair. This one is the one that they recommend for like if you're going to the gym or, you know, activities where your hair is going to be needing deep cleansed. This is the deep cleanse level. Detoxifying, oil cleansing, scalp soothing. And with this kind, I only have to use it like every 2 or 3 days, not even every day. So I love this stuff. This guy is the Buxom Vava Plump Shiny Liquid Lipstick. Ooh, I love lipstick. This is, what color is this? In Wine Me. Let's see. This is, oh, it's a cute little tubey guy. I love these little mini tubies. Oh, he's so little. He's so cute. I'm going to just get closer so I don't have to zoom in and zoom back out. Ooh, I like this color. That's cute. This is shiny, right? Vivid color, pout plumping shine. The It Superhero Mascara. I actually love this as well. This is the Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. I've used this before. I actually really like this guy. This would probably be one of my second favorites to the Too Faced Damn Girl, which I have been using and I actually really love. This guy is the Peter Thomas Roth Potency Bright and Plump Moisturizer with 10% THD ascorbate, 30% vitamin E, 2% ferulic acid. I've not used that. A lot of the stuff I haven't used before, which is nice. It's rare that I get a sample bag of stuff that I haven't used before. This guy is the Becca First Light Priming Filter. I have not used this, but I know one of my friends has, and she loved it. So we'll add that to my primer collection because I feel like I've tried so many lately and man, just none of them are working. I've tried so many and so many have gone back. This guy is the Urban Decay Primer Potion, the original. Who hasn't tried this guy? Everyone in America has tried this guy. Honestly, I prefer my NYX Proof It, but you know, it's free. I'm almost out of Proof It right now, so it's free. Not gonna complain. And then this guy is Lancome. Ooh, it's a perfume. What is it? Ooh, let's see. La Vie est Belle. Oh god, they just like really wrapped this in here. Everything is like wrapped in bubble wrap and it's sticky. Oh, this bottle is so cute. It's got a little bow. Does it smell good? Oh, it does smell good. It reminds me of YSL Mon Paris a little bit, but it does smell good. I don't love that it's not a spray. Like, you have to take the droppy top off and like dab the dropper or like pour it and like rub. Those things tend to get dropped in my house because I drop stuff and they fall on the floor and perfume goes everywhere and it's a lot. But otherwise, that's what I bought. I don't think that I've gotten anything else new recently that I haven't used on camera. I've been kind of like waiting to buy more stuff. I've been saving up my points. I think I have like $60 off purchase. I just keep hoarding it. I don't know why. Otherwise, that's it. That's all I got. So that is all the stuff that I bought. If you enjoyed this little unboxing haul kind of video, it would be great if you would throw me a like or a subscribe for other sorts of videos. That way I know that you are watching, interested in this kind of thing, and I appreciate you for doing it. Otherwise, I hope that you have a great day and enjoy your afternoon, evening, morning, whenever you're watching, and I will see you next time.